I've been exploring the Beam Photo Editor app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. Beam is an AI-powered photo editing app for iPhone that focuses on doing a handful of creative tasks really well rather than overwhelming you with options. It is designed for people who want quick, eye-catching edits for social media, product photos, or personal memories without needing advanced editing skills. The core idea of the app is to give you smart tools that feel almost like shortcuts for edits that would normally take much longer. One of the standout features is its AI-driven background tools, including Magic Scene, which lets you swap the background of a photo to create more polished or studio-style images. This can be particularly handy if you are shooting products at home, cleaning up cluttered spaces, or just trying to make an ordinary picture look more professional. However, the experience is not without drawbacks. One of the most frequently mentioned points in recent reviews is a change from being essentially free to introducing a paywall with limited daily free uses. Some users who relied on the app regularly feel that 5 free uses a day is not enough, especially because AI edits can require multiple attempts to get a satisfying result. When those attempts are used up, you are prompted to subscribe, which can be frustrating if you are mid-project and still experimenting with prompts or extensions. Overall, Beam is a solid choice if you value quick, visually impressive edits powered by AI and you prefer an app that keeps things straightforward instead of burying you in complex tools. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.